With more than 300 events ranging in topic from credit to home buying to retirement, the 6th annual Money Smart Week Chicago offers consumers a wealth of information on how to better manage their personal finances. Bill Mahler, who hosts The Money Show on Saturday mornings with WGN Radio, introduced the keynote speaker for the day. Can you tell us what you are doing here today with the Federal Reserve Bank?
We're using the opportunity of Money Smart Week to announce a couple of great programs the City Treasurer's Office has. One is our business plan competition, which applications are due by June 6th, and the winners are going to be announced at our Small Business Expo, which is August 3rd, and that's sort of the pinnacle of how we're trying to help small businesses get information, get access to affordable capital, and really take their vision into the future.
That's wonderful, Stephanie. Can you also tell us what the new mentorship program is?
A lot of small business owners just have great ideas, but they don't have any idea of how to take that idea and turn it into a business. So what I think is a great opportunity is for them to mentor or partner up with existing business people, either small business owners or people who are in the corporate America, and really help them hone their ideas and take it into the next level.
And Stephanie, are there any particular businesses that are specified, or can it be any business?
It is any business. We are looking to help people who have just an idea, a true startup, people who want to franchise, people who want to grow their small business. So it really does run the gamut.
And can you also explain to the viewers what linked deposit means?
Sure. I'm going to take a little time to explain that. Every year we ask community banks and banks to apply to the city to be a municipal depository. Once the city council selects a list of municipal depositories, I'm given that list and I can deposit city funds into these banks. The Link Deposit Program is to link our deposits with small businesses. So the banks that we select to be part of the Link Deposit Program are required to lend 50% of those funds back to the communities that they represent. Currently, we're at about $50 million. I'd like to grow that to about $75 million by August, but it's a great opportunity. A lot of people don't know about this program, but it's a great opportunity for small business owners to develop banking relationships and have access to affordable capital.
This sounds like a wonderful opportunity, Stephanie. Listen, can you tell us where can we get more information regarding the upcoming expo and also the link deposit?
You can go to the website, ChicagoCityTreasurer.com, or you can call my deputy in charge of economic development, Hector Rodriguez, at 312-744-3356.
Okay, and lastly, where will we see you next, Ms. Neely?
I don't know the answer to that. I'm trying to get out and really increase the profile of the office, so I have a very busy schedule, so I can't even keep today straight. So anywhere you need me to be, I'll be.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for having us out today.
Nice to meet you.
Jerry, can you tell us what is this behind us?
Well, initially it was supposed to have been 1 million singles, which is 41.5 inches on a side, 2,041 pounds. We thought we ordered a 42-inch inside dimension bullet-resistant cube from the fabricator in Milwaukee. 48 hours before the former chairman, Alan Greenspan, arrived here to cut the ribbon and open our money museum, this monster showed up and we had to use it. It's a 48-inch cube. That extra 6 inches increased the volume 57%. This required another 571,300 singles. What we're looking at here is 1,571,300. Are we admitting a 57% margin of error to the chairman? Not a chance. The little plaque says 1 million singles. We left it exactly as it was.
Wow, that is so interesting, and the design is phenomenal. So this is
571,300.
571,300?
Yes, we don't normally admit to a margin of error of that size.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Nelson, for having us out today.
Thanks for stopping.
I was so caught up in all the investment ideas that were offered that I decided to close a few deals of my own. Deal or no deal, I've got the $1 million case. This is your host, Cheyenne Lynn with Streetside Studio.